This is ECHO News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Yo, what's up, Jamaica? It's your street reporter. Echo straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest breaking news right now. Listen up, this is ECHO News Jamaica, and I'm your street reporter, Echo, coming to you with the real stories from the heart of Kingston and beyond. Today, June 29, 2025, we bring you the latest headlines that matter to you. Let's go! Trout parliamentary firestorm, no early closure, says government and opposition leaders. We start with drama in Garden House. Both government leader, business Edmund Bartlett, and opposition leader in the House, Philip Powell, have rubbish claims that Parliament's recent session was ended early to dodge scrutiny allegation that the government wrapped up proceedings on June 24 to avoid the Integrity Commission's annual report. But Government Senator Apka Fitz-Henley pushed back hard, saying the report was tabled properly on Friday, and accusing opposition Senator Donna Scott Motley of spreading misinformation. The real question now, can Jamaicans trust that accountability remains front and center in our parliament, or is this just another round of political spin? We'll be watching. The from surgeon to statesman, Dr. Alfred Dawes joins political race. Next, a respected figure in medicine has answered the political call. Dr. Alfred Dawes, known for his service in Savannah Lamar and his role in developing a private hospital in Portmore, is now officially the People National Party candidate for St. Catherine Southeastern. Dawes told reporters that healing one patient at a time is no longer enough. He wants to help heal the nation through policy, service, and representation. It's another sign that professionals from outside politics are stepping up, and the voters of St. Catherine will soon decide if they're ready for Dr. Dawes, now candidate Dawes. Portmore Parish proposal, community voices concerned. Turning now to Portmore and the growing debate over plans to make it Jamaica's 15th parish. PNP loyalist Merlene Beale, 81 years strong from Passage Fort, isn't holding back. While she supports Portmore getting parish status, she says the government is moving too fast, without delivering key infrastructure like courts, hospitals, markets, or proper fire station. Her words, too much dictatorship. Beale is calling for more consultation with the people before any final decision. And on the ground in Portmore, the sentiment seems mixed, with some residents excited about the change and others worried about rush decisions without resources. Voices on growth, justice, and society. And in today's commentary spotlight, two powerful messages. First, a call from business leaders and economists. Jamaica must break free from what they describe as a low-growth vortex. They say now's the time to reject mediocrity, drive innovation, and embrace serious reforms to boost the economy. Second, Reverend Sean Major Campbell urges national reflection over the ongoing violence against children. He's calling for collective confession, lament, and above all, action. These are big conversations happening right now in the press and on the streets, and we at ECHO News Jamaica will keep them alive. So today's news paints a clear picture. Jamaica is a nation pushing for accountability, new leadership, and stronger community voices from Garden House to Portmore's avenues, from the wards of hospitals to the heart of the business district. The conversations are real and the stakes are high. Stay tuned to ECHO News Jamaica, where the streets have the say and your voice matters most. Like, share, and subscribe. Link up tomorrow for more real news, real Jamaica. Right here upon ECHO News Jamaica. Echo. Not forget to subscribe, hit the bell, share with your family a yard and abroad. Walk good, stay safe, and make we build the Jamaica one love.